Y'all know what it is. It's that Why Not Check. Today's little message is starting out your locks with a semi-interlock technique, but a little bit more clockwise, inner in and out clockwise, that creates a small lock close to what you would say is sister lock. We don't use that technology because we do something totally different than what they do. We just gonna call it the Why Not locks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here and treat her new growth, tighten it down with my little rusty trusty spoon. We use out the course some good oil as she, put on them, and this is probably about 12 weeks out of tightening. So she's been rocking it. We're gonna see how long they get. After this, her ends are still kind of, with the smaller they are, sometimes the ends don't look like they're locked up to get a more of a curly effect. So, boom, you hit your girl up. I could do those too. I told y'all that it's just not one type of dread. There's locks, mini locks, dreads, natural dreads, religious dreads, manicure dreads.
Why not dreads?
Why not dreads? Boom. 918-734-6659. Y'all know how to get at me. Check out Why Not Anything. And that's not WHY, it's WYE. Gosh.